All right, my boy Jordan, he's back up in the building.
What up, guys?
Tell us, yo, what's going on today now?
I'm here with my boy, you know. He's going to help me lower this. Got the coilover.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this.
Yes, sir. We're going to get it nice and tucked.
Ah.
Been waiting for these to come in, man.
Hey, open that up. Did you ever open it?
I did, yeah.
Come on, pull it out. We need a thumbnail.
Been waiting for these, bro.
Oh, shizzy.
Check it out, man. We got the BC Racing BR.
Uh-huh.
Definitely gonna have this looking nice when he's done with it. So
Yes, sir. Kind of match too, black and gold.
Yes, sir.
That's dope. We gotta take some. We gotta take some pictures with that. All right, we're starting with the front. Doing these coils is super easy. Literally, take this ABS sensor off. This is a 12 millimeter, and then undo this brake hose. That's also a 12 millimeter. And then these two bottom bolts are both 19s. You're gonna need like one wrench to hold this nut in while you take the stud out and the bolt out. And then up top, 312s, and it slides right out. New coil in. Jack up from the bottom to get these bottom two bolts to line up, and then we're just gonna kind of keep test fitting the wheel, see how much gap is lost. All right, fronts are done. We got about ½ inch more drop that we want to go with. Next, we're gonna do the rears and then go back and adjust all the way around. He definitely needs an alignment because it's positive camber. It's got a lot of poke. But to get to the backs, we gotta take apart all this paneling here with a bunch of flatheads and screwdriver Phillips. Right now I can see, pop that open, there's a Phillips there on the inside. And just pry everything apart. Be right back. All right, rear's all disassembled. It's a lot of clips and screws, but right there are your two upper strut mount bolts. And then we go underneath. It's literally just two bolts, also 19s. And then this whole unit slides out. Update, these bottom nuts are giving us hell. I cut a little slot out of the brake dust shield to try to get a longer socket and break loose. Good news, folks, we got it off. Using the jack and this ratchet to break it free. And hopefully the other side's not as piece of shit. I'm retiring after this car. Where's that bolt at? Where's it at?
I got it in my pocket.
We tried every book, every trick in the book. Ended up just cutting it, man. On this side, fire, power tools, nothing. So we're just gonna cut it like we already did. Thanks to the $25 Harbor Freight saw. Yeah, I cut it out.
That's how I know you got it.
Yeah, I don't record my failures, guys. YouTube is all cap. If I wasn't really doing something well, I'm not recording it. And here we are, Home Depot. Oh, I gotta bleep that out. No surprise, no surprise. Well, Home Depot didn't have what we needed. They didn't have the right grade, didn't have the right length, the right anything. So we took a trip out to Southington. It was like 25-minute drive, and we looked at all the suspension control arm bolts that they had and really just compared. And hopefully that these work. You know, they're similar thickness, they're different thread, but they're standard instead of metric, but they got their own nuts, so that's okay. And when we get back, hopefully we got good news, lower this dude's car and get it out of here.
You asking a lot for a nigga to trust in you like that. Yeah.
What are you gonna do now, man? You done started something.
Yeah, do a little burn.
Go ahead, do something, man.
Dog.
Do something. Peer pressure.
Turn up.
What am I gonna do?
Do something cool.
Just drift around the bends, but don't hit it.
Do a U-turn.
Do a U-turn.
Do a U-turn.
Do it.
Go.
This is gonna be my first burnout attack.
Yeah, let's
Oh! Woo! Burnout what? Alright, my boy redeemed himself. My boy redeemed himself. Ah!
This first time pulling out the car after doing the coils. Those are just tools in the trunk. It feels good, man. The suspension feels much better than the stock suspension.
I wish this shit was steak.
You saw that?
I wish it was steak.
Yeah, me too.
What do you think? You rev matching in your automatic?
No.
You ain't never heard that before, huh? Look, that used to be you.
Yes, sir.
Shit sounds alright. And we back at the spot.
Hey, man, we made it. Feeling good, too.
We gotta lower this thing a little bit more, but give it a week, let it settle, do some more readjustments. Felt pretty good. What's up, man? What's your Instagram? You don't know your Instagram? What's your Instagram?
Instagram is They Love and Dash.
Okay, what's your
She
Instagram?
loving flow.
Alright, say it again?
She loving flow.
Alright. And
Mine's A60_J.
I thought you was about to give me your number. Shit, we can't put that out there like that. Alright, follow the kid, man. Come on now. He looking for a girl. He looking for a girl. Yeah, come on now.
Yeah.
Forgot to show you guys, but the Mercedes has the AME Shallons. I mean, this obviously needs some more load too. I want to put a bigger tire in the back. To fit these on the spacers, I had to cut down the studs on the spacer in the rear because they touched the e-brake assembly, and from watching Pete's carport, I knew that would be an issue, so I cut them down to a little bit and no more problems. But as soon as I put them on, hit the curb in these horrible streets. So, gotta get it right. No worries.
Back there with my dog.
All right, interior put back together, and probably my favorite feature though, the little OEM Plus looking dampening knobs. I wish I had this in the RL. I might add it.
You can't rush it. This shit took time, but you can clearly see my car getting better. Shout out my boy Leandre. If you need your shit to get done, go holler at him. You know, he do a good
Yes,
job.
sir. He'll be back for
I mean, the results speak for itself.
ride height adjustments and whatnot.
Looking good, man.
Had to-
Appreciate you.
Had to teach my boy how to adjust the dampening. He said it's his first modified car.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But
He did the bumpers, got the suspension. Shout out to my guy, man. That look good.
yes, he's doing his thing, man. He's doing his thing. It looks good. It's getting there. It's getting to where he wants. And yeah, stay tuned, man.
Yo, what you got, man? Hey, man, I only got 25.
Either you riding or you hanging, get the great days and closest. OGs ain't shit, but they lived it to tell it. If I sold drugs, dog, I sold it to sell it. Stop it, nigga, the profit, nigga. Narcotics is the topic, nigga. Is the topic, nigga. Is the topic, nigga. Either you riding sold it to sell it. Stop it, nigga. A profit, nigga. Narcotics is the topic, nigga. It's the topic, nigga. It's the topic, nigga. Yeah.
I sell dimes 08, you could be the next deck of cards. Cold case, I kill over that white bitch, OJ. And I ain't talking about Buffalo, my guns usually bark, but for the most they muffle, bro. Put a chick on the track and tell her hustle, ho. For the love of the Johnsons, emotional Carl Thomas. And that I promise when I spit, it's sick, nasty, vomit. I wanna block top money, bitches, block, drug spot. Where everybody in my hood, set up shop. And you can feel Dimmy like he's my only pops. But if you ain't from around here, your options to get popped. We don't flip siders, switch siders. Turn they brain to double R. Call him a rough rider. Afro his killin', turn it to apple ciders.
Riding or you hanging, get the great, they get welches. OGs ain't shit, but they lived it to tell it. If I sold drugs, dog, I sold it to sell it. Stop it, nigga, the profit, nigga. Narcotics is the topic, nigga. Is the topic, nigga. Is the topic, nigga.
If your girl under, I'ma take her like Kane. Getting up inside her head like brain and down her throat like food. Suck me off, be a perfect move for the suspense. And I ain't talking story or novel, but when I nut, she carefully swallow my kids so she can have a baby sooner. Nickname him Clutchy, no trespassing, size I see, save lucky. Sperm come out, glaring like gaps, attack her belly like a terrorist attack. Sprite styles, bitch, obey your thirst. Cause I'm sick in the head, so suck this, Miss Thirst. Condom in the purse, spread on the bed, get on your knees. Cause all I want is head like shoulders. Bacon more crack than sodas, just like grills. While she licking my dick up and down like Phil. Head time, bitch. You better be weird, cause Nelly walked in the room and said it's getting hot in here like road.
I know you hanging, get the great, they get welches. OGs ain't shit, but they lived it to tell it. If I sold drugs, dog, I